Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Then click on Notifications right away and scroll down to access Notification Style section. Now you need to click on one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. In my case, Photos. Lastly, click on this green switcher next to Allow Notifications. So when I do that, as you can see, our notifications from Photos app are now disabled. If you wish to switch them back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!